They're getting something out of you.
If men were as bad and misogynistic as you think, they would put us in cages and we'd be, baby farms. There would be baby farms.
I think you might be a little bit of a baby farm.
Because they could. No, they could.
You're a bit of a baby farm. Haven't you popped out 5 children?
Yeah.
You're
I'm
a baby
mother.
farm.
Oh.
I think that's the ultimate form of sex work, actually.
What's that?
I think that you popping out 5 children is the ultimate form of sex work, because without those children, would your husband provide for you?
Degrading language. Wait a minute. Why are you using degrading language? Popping out babies. Popping out babies? So you're against people having babies?
If you didn't provide children, would your husband marry you?
No.
Exactly.
Why should he?
Exactly. So you're a baby farm to him.
Marrying someone is also about starting a family.
Yeah, a family.
These are my children,
baby farm, essentially.
You should be so lucky because you're going to die alone.
Okay.
Early.
Thank you so much.
On top of that. So
thank you so much.
I mean, if you would you like me to go wake up my children and get them down here too, so you can tell them that they're like gross little
I don't think it's appropriate.
That I
it's really appropriate.
Them out, that they're the result of baby farm. I mean, take your little snarky little insults and shove them up your ass, because
do you think your parents did that?
It's women like me who are doing
my parents only
what
had
women
one
are supposed
child.
to do.
My parents only had one.
You are useless. You are a useless heifer who has never done anything except
you're a great woman.
Nice.
You're a very godly woman, aren't you?
Both of you be nice.
You started it. Hey, you can dish it out, but you can't
I started it. Didn't you come on here talking about McFlurries or something?
You called me a baby farm, and now you're going to pretend to be offended? Get the fuck out.
I said you're the ultimate sex worker, actually.
Okay. Well, me being devoted to one man for 17 years and giving him children is sex work.
You're the ultimate sex worker.
So your parents are also part of a baby farm because you were born.
My mom had one child, and she also worked. But I know that my parents would have gotten married without having to have children.
If I milk a cow, the cow's still providing milk, though, even if I only milk him once. So you're calling
we don't believe that marriage is only for the purpose of children. Had we gotten married and for some reason biologically I had a medical issue and could not give Andrew children, he would not have divorced me and he would not have left me. That's not what we believe in. We believe that marriage is also a sacrament of our church. You don't get divorced for a reason like that. However, why would a man marry a woman who's giving him nothing like you are? You don't bring anything to the man except
you don't value women for just being us. Like, you just don't
I value people, but that's different than what a man would want to get married for. Why do you not understand these basic distinctions?
A man could want to get married without wanting to have children, but that's not what your husband did with you, honey.
No man does that except for a simp or some guy who's